people, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Cheyenne, and in today's video I will be taking you along on my journey in transforming my laundry room. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell button so we stay connected. Now let's get into it. So now I'm in Target, and y'all know not to sleep on Target. Let's see what they got. These are super cute, and they're only $5. Super cute laundry decor. How I end up in the kids section? I know y'all do it too. So yes, this is my laundry room, and I made the exact same face as he did. Ugh, but it's okay. Now let's get into the after. That's what's important. My laundry room, and baby, I'm tired. I painted it white. This was the original color of the other 3 walls. I didn't paint this wall right here behind me because I'm putting a wallpaper in there, but this is what it looks like so far. I got paint everywhere all on me, on my hair, but tomorrow's day 2. Stay tuned. I just finished spray painting the pieces that I found in different colors that didn't go with my colors. Honestly, so my colors for my laundry room are black, white, and gold, and half of the stuff that I found that I really liked wasn't in my colors. So I'm a firm believer in spray paint. Spray paint that, baby. If you can't find it, spray paint it. Find it and spray paint it. Spray paint it, find it. You got it. You know what I'm saying? No, but definitely if it could be spray painted, buy it. So I started to spray paint the lids to my jars that I'm gonna put my laundry detergent in the house. I don't know who told me that was a good idea, but it wasn't. And look, you see this? This is probably my husband spying on me. That's what he does. Hey, babe. And welcome back. Today is day 2 of my laundry room makeover, and I love how the walls look just super bright. It looks so bright in here, and it makes the room look so much bigger than what it is. Don't worry about these little areas over here. I didn't put too much detail in it because I'll be covering them with these self-adhesive wallpaper that I got off the Amazon, and I'll link it to the description box if you just wanted to take a look at it and check it out. It was super cheap. They were $8, and I probably won't even use all 3, honestly. But yeah, I'm super excited. that we were supposed to put them long ways instead of short ways. Well, I noticed. He acted like he knew, but he ain't say nothing, so he knew. But for the bottom, for the top, I'm really not putting nothing heavy on it, so we're not going to take it out. But for the bottom one, since I have my laundry detergent, I'm put them long ways like this, so it'll get that more secure and So yeah, we're gonna do the bottom like that. So don't be eating. We know. Open up.
Oh my god. It looks so cool in here. At first, it wasn't like it was not like this. But now look at it. It looks so cool. My fan has this wash, dry,
Hold,
repeat.
You
gotta even a fan in here. What are these for?
What do you think those are for?
The clothes. Dirty clothes. The dirty clothes over here? So we don't even have to use them.
Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah.